All right, welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to check out the FIFINE AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. All right, so the fine folks at FIFINE were generous enough to send me out this AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. They did not tell me what to say in this video. They did not tell me how to make this video. This is my own opinion. This is my own feedback. With that said, let's get into this quick unboxing, and I'm going to do a quick mic test and a quick audio test. So for starters, let's see what we got on the box. All right, so as I said, it's by FIFINE. This one's called the AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. It's USB plug and play, suitable for PC, Mac, and PlayStation. See if there's anything on the side here. It's got a 3.5 millimeter connector. It's got a mic switch button, a headset volume increase button, a headset volume reduction button, microphone volume increase button, 7.1 virtual sound effect, mic volume reduction button. All right, here it shows that it's compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, PS5, and Xbox. All right, on this side, detachable microphone, which is very cool, locking adjustable headband, comfortable soft material, cozy earmuffs. On the back, same deal, 3.5 USB. It's a condenser microphone, and the polar pattern is omnidirectional. Clear audio quality, strong compatibility, plug and play, lightweight design, inline controls, detachable mic like I said earlier. All right, so let's get into this box and see what it looks like. All right, so as usual with all FIFINE products, you get a wonderful color manual. I don't usually go through the manual, so we'll just set that to the side. In this little box here, we got the cable with the USB and the volumes. Very high quality braided cable, nice clicky buttons. 7.1 surround effect button. Here you got the mute for the mic. And this could clip onto your shirt. Very high quality cable. I like that. Also in that box was the detachable microphone. Again, it is omnidirectional. We will test that out shortly. All right, so here's the main feature. The H9 AmpliGame headset, and it feels pretty good. It's not the best quality I felt, but for $59.99 Canadian, this is exceptional. Metal here. I thought this would be plastic, but this is actually metal. This isn't gonna break too easy. That's amazing. Headband is pretty soft. It's got good cushion. See the left and the right in the ear cups. Got the PU leather here for your ears. Feels good. It's nice and soft. This cable here is not removable. And this plugs into the volume base that I showed you earlier. So this would plug into this. And you have all your controls at your fingertips. The microphone would plug into here. Yep, there we go. And now you have your gaming headset with your omnidirectional microphone. And if the H3 is anything to go by, the mic quality on this H9 is going to be exceptional. I will do a comparison with the mic quality between the H3 and this one shortly. In the meantime, we're going to just check out the audio quality and we're going to check out the mic quality. Be right back. All right, so I just came back listening to these headsets and doing the mic test. And I have to report that the audio quality coming out of these headsets are exceptional. They sound way more than the cost of these microphones. Good highs, good mids, and good bass. Listen to a couple of my favorite tracks, and I was more than pleased. Yeah, the mic test, you're going to hear it shortly. So please let me know what you think. I'm going to compare the H9s with the H3s. After a quick listen, I think the H9 sound a little better, but please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right, so this is a voice test with the AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is this a pass or is this trash? Could you see yourself using this for online gaming, you know, playing some COD, playing some Halo, Helldivers 2 maybe? So what do you think? Is this microphone cutting it or should we just cut it out? Again, this is the AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right, so just as a comparison, this is the H3 gaming headset. The AmpliGame H3 gaming headset as a comparison, just to see which mic fares better. I'm pretty sure the H9 will sound better than the H3, but who knows, maybe they are using the same microphone. Let me know which one sounds better, the H9 or the H3. Overall, I give these headsets a pass, a thumbs up. Although this isn't a in-depth review, after a quick listen, I'm pretty pleased with what these headsets are offering. For 60 bucks Canadian, you definitely can't go wrong. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology. Please like, subscribe, hit that share button, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care.